There we go. Hello, YouTube. Hello, hello, hello. It's banned here. Wait, what? Oh, shoot, you're still on holiday or wherever you are, aren't you? Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. I thought you were back already. Never mind.
50 cow killer.
Wait, where are you, by the way? I can't remember where you actually went. Let me just load up YouTube and get the... Yep. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice, if you just said that. You said, oh, nice.
Yeah? What, do you want me to say, oh,
Okay.
not nice?
I'm just intrigued.
What else am I meant to say?
Yeah, what?
What?
Yeah, like he's not
Well,
gonna go on that shit.
No, but you could have said no drama. Like, if the guy said he was from Ukraine, you're going to go, oh, nice. Not really.
No, but if he's... Stop trying to put me in this shit here. Get me
Yeah,
cancelled.
he's done you.
Cheeky little bastard. What do you mean, Leon? What do you mean by that?
I've been back 5 minutes and you're already off course. I've succeeded in what I wanted to do.
Just wait, I've got a little journal update in a minute.
Oh no.
Just for fucking you. Just for you, JJ.
Live stream.
For fuck's sake.
Everyone's
Okay, right, there we go. We're live and everything. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, did anyone take any trades last week? Apart from JJ.
I had
I didn't
one.
take anything. Oh, right, yes, I'm the one. Yes.
What do you take, Tux?
I had two gold cells.
Two
One on
gold
the
cells?
One on the personal because it was overnight. And
All-time
then-
high was one of them?
Yeah, one of them. I had to split that.
Yeah, I saw you split. To be fair, that was perfect. You got tagged on
So-
both, right?
Yeah, I got tagged on both. On my funded, I closed the first position at break even.
Yep.
And the second position at 2RR.
Ooh, okay. Nice.
But on my personal, I held both for 2% for the whole thing.
Okay.
And then literally the same. The other trade was.
Was it before the all-time high?
Hang on. Let me get my journal quickly. 2 seconds.
Yeah, go for it.
It was another split because again, the psych.
Ooh,
I just
okay.
couldn't ignore the psych level that was there.
The psych level.
There was a. I can't remember which. There's the chart.
3075. Break retest. I think that, yeah, because that was the one you said there's more reasons or something like that. It was the
Yeah,
break
that was-
retest trend line.
This one.
Was it the
it's
trend
this
line?
one.
Oh shit, I need to change those colours. Ew.
This level here. That was the overnight. one, so I
oh.
had that on personal.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's a wide zone.
Yeah, exactly. But I had
Okay.
to cover it all, so
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, nice.
yeah, that was it.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so let's quickly go. Did I share the Trump shit? I don't know. Trump, China. Let's see if there's any updates, and we'll quickly go over it. Does anyone have an article about the new China shit? Can't find it. But anyway, he basically got rid of a bunch of the tariffs to do with like mainly tech. So, all right, Trump removes China tariffs, tech. Here we go. Smartphones, computers. Basically a bunch of tech-based shit. So China will still be tariffed apart from these things. So we'll most likely see a bit of a very slight risk on. I don't think we're going to be heavy risk on, but like I said to Tux before, we're going to be less risk off. So we'll most likely see a decent, I don't know about a decent gap, but at least a strong push, especially on US Open on Monday. I think we'll see a decent move down on gold and a temporary move up on stocks, and also fairly bullish DXY. which again, rather stocks dump a little bit more, please. But at minus 21 in total, it's currently minus 12. That's that is a crazy retracement. 13% in a day is insane. Ruben, that is mean. 500k ABC funded. I don't know if all of you were here for that, but I don't know if you guys remember either when we did the fake giveaway thing. It's like an April Fool's. Some guy won it, and then he took it as a joke. He was kind of okay with it. And then all of a sudden he came in the voice chat and he was on smoke, like absolute smoke, like calling my mother a bitch and stuff like that. He was like, yeah, he wasn't very happy. It was good though. So he's now no longer in the server. So yeah, I'll most likely be trading again this week. I kind of took the past 2 weeks off of the markets, which kind of felt good. It's been kind of fun reading all the different like conspiracy theories and shit like that on Twitter. There's been there's news updates every single second of the day. And there's all these threads talking about like, oh, is Trump really doing this, or is he doing this? Why are China doing this? And everyone has their own opinions. Most of them are kind of the same-ish. But it is very interesting to see all these different different opinions and try and to forge your own opinion based on everyone else's opinion. And it's kind of cool trying to see trying to understand how the markets are thinking and gather the overall market sentiment. It's been pretty fun, and obviously not having to focus on taking shitty trades. So I will be back this week, try and take a few trades. We'll see what happens. I'm still going to be slightly conservative. Crazy with all these moves, but all my tech has been holding perfectly. Yeah, to be fair, some people have been still smashing it. It depends if you look heavily into fundamentals. Sometimes obviously it can then stop you from taking trades. 2 years ago, was it 2 years ago? Yeah, 2023, I did not give a shit about fundamentals, and we had time of our lives just through NFP, anything. Didn't care at all. And it worked beautifully. But I don't know, it's entirely up to you. I've seen a lot of people, their trading's been absolutely amazing during this volatility. So yeah, I guess it depends on how you trade, your risk appetite. Are you willing to get fucking slipped? Because again, I think the tech still might work, but if you're on a funded account, especially if you guys only have one funded account and you spent a lot of money on that funded account, and you're taking this one trade and bump China tariff, bump Trump tweet, and you just get absolutely slapped. If you're willing to take that risk, go for it. But for me personally, I'm taking trades on every single one of my funded accounts, and if I did get slipped by a stupid fucking tweet or something like that, and obviously that would affect every single account, and let's say I was risking 1%, it slipped me, fucking spread did me absolutely dirty, did max drawdown and lost every account, hell no. But if you just traded on one account, or you're not that bothered, sure, go for it. The way I'm going to be approaching my new fundeds when I buy a new challenge, which I'm not going to for a while, I don't think, but when I do buy the next challenge, I'm just going to go high risk, because at the minute all of mine are connected to one copy trader, 1% risk, and I just set them up in the background and just let them run. If it takes me 6 months to pass a challenge, then it takes me 6 months, then I've got a live account, I'm not bothered. Whereas the way moving forward is all those will get sat on a separate copy trader, 1% risk, and then I'll buy a new challenge, 2% risk, maybe even 2.5, go high risk. If I lose it, I lose it. But as soon as it's passed, then it gets connected to the rest of them and goes low risk, and I just chill. But I think most people do that though, to be fair, so it's nothing too special. But rather than just fucking stressing and sitting on phase 1 for fucking 2-3 months and then phase 2, and it's just, fuck that. I'd rather balls deep it. And rather than, spending fucking 1.5k on a silly challenge, I'd rather just spend, 500 quid. If I lose it, I can lose it, and I can get 2-3 accounts before it actually Hurts my bank. Thank you, JJ. Thank you. I appreciate it. Right, let's do some very quick analysis. Euro Aussie dollar, there is no update. The break retest is still clean, but obviously to cover all this, it's a bit of a shitter. First of all, this is, oh shit, okay, never mind, 38 pips away. And then that second break retest is 52 pips away. So it looks okay, but it isn't okay. I would only go for that top one if we had like very good alignment. If not, I'd rather wait for that bottom one and we see a breach of the top, obviously. This could be a fucking sexy level if we decide to breach this high, which we may not. Other levels, not massively interested in that. Could go for it if you want, but not too keen. My 10k is going to be burnt or passed this week. Fuck yes. Do it. Haven't followed news over the weekend. Anything important? Yeah, the US. So they put obviously the tariffs 125%, 125%. China and US. US have taken back some of the tariffs on basically a few things to do with tech. I don't know what it is exactly. I probably should just ChatGPT it, to be fair. But it's like microchips and phones and stuff like that. So we'll most likely see gold push down, stocks push up. I'm off 4 out of 5 on the stream. Didn't think the comment of, oh nice, on a struggling country was a great start. JJ. I think we should cancel JJ for calling Pakistan a struggling country.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. I'm gonna. What did you just say?
If we get 5 yeses, okay. Never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay. I'm just not going to comment on that. I'll let you guys discuss it in the thing. Ruben, you have trying to cancel me. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to get political, and I'm not getting. Oh, one sec. In 22. Oh, as if you just typed that in on fucking Google. That's crazy. Anyway, thanks for the 4 out of 5 rating, JJ. Appreciate it. And thanks for showing up and supporting. Thank you. Right, okay, Euro ends at D. We just missed a break retest. That isn't really of interest now. I would go for this lower one if we do see a clean breach of this and this. I may as well write this down. Need breach of above 2 zones. And this high, I'm not really bothered about. Yes, we can use it for alignment, and that's about it. And other sell levels. Oh shit, okay. We're talking ancient. Absolutely ancient. Now it's going to go to... Yeah, he is, isn't he? Let's see. Is he... I swear he is doing a live. Isn't he tonight? I don't know where it is. I've got it. Oh, 10 minutes it starts. I see. Okay, you're into D. Here we go. We have daily. We have a few sell levels. Where is current price? There. That's not the nicest. You got that. We'll just mark out a few so we know for references. There we go. We got some references now, so now we can go off this. Oh shit. Oops. Okay. Never mind. These were a bit... Oh wait, no, what? Have I just messed it up? Did I go a bit too low? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay, so I drew 1. Great. Well done, Leon. Let's have a look at Tux's Euro Aussie. Okay, yeah, the same as mine. Yeah. Beautiful. I mean, it's fucking boring as shit, but yeah, beautiful. Yeah, and there's nothing else. There's no point wasting time on it, to be honest. Do we turn the Leon stream off and use it for background noise? Leon ASMR. Right, okay, that's weird. Fucking... Well, still, either way, I appreciate that you hop in, JJ, even if you use me for background noise. I don't know what you'd be... Okay, I'm not even going to say that. Never mind.
You missed weird. The comment. You missed the comment from Ruben, and he's deleted his comment. That's why.
Oh, really? Oh, so Ruben's starting the shit. I see. Ian will be gone soon, giving it 17 more days. What do you mean 17 more days? Yeah, I think there's no point even looking at fucking Forexes. That all these pairs are shit right now. That's shit. This is just awkward. Again, I'll go for the first one of alignment. Need strong alignment. That's it. I'm not too bothered. Won't waste time on this. This could be a nice level if we see a nice push down. We've already done, fuck me, 340 pips. Jesus Christ. So if we see a little bit more of a push, then yeah, sure. But yeah, that's a bit, yeah. GN. Okay, we had a